This is amazing. This might be the biggest moment for generative AI community, especially for open source AI. Meta has just released Llama 3.1, which has 405 billion parameters. This is the most sophisticated open source model ever released. It is already outperforming GPT 4.0 on several benchmarks and other state of the art models. In this video, I am specially going to show you how you can use Meta Llama 3.1 model using Hugging Face in just 4 simple steps with Python coding language. So before starting, let me give a short introduction about myself. Welcome to AD Academy. The main motto of this channel is AI for Aam Janta. My name is Dr. Ayan Devnath. I am an IIT Delhi alumni and Fulbright research scholar at Harvard University. I have total 9+ years of experience in the field of artificial intelligence, deep learning, machine learning, NLP, generative AI. Let's watch this video. Welcome to my metaverse. I am using Google Colab. You can use any IDE where you want to work, just like Jupyter Notebook, PyCharm, Visual Code, whatever you like. So first of all, I will show you how you can use Hugging Face and Meta Llama 3 with Python coding implementation in just 4 simple steps. Mind it, in just 4 simple steps. So what are the steps? First of all, you have to import the Hugging Face library. In the second step, you have to access the tokens from the Hugging Face, and then in the third step, you have to use the pipeline module to call the large language model which you want, in this case Meta Llama 3.1, and then in the fourth step you have to just generate the text. So going forward, let me show you in details. So first of all, I am installing few of the Python packages, like I will be using transformer, torch and Hugging Face hub. So it might take some time to install the packages. Then I will be importing few important libraries like JSON, OS, torch, transformer, pipeline, which will be used to get the model, and also Hugging Face hub to import Hugging Face hub download login, and also transformer to import auto module, auto tokenizer to which is actually used for tokenization, and etc. Now in the next step, you have to get access token. So it means that you have to get access to the Hugging Face so that you can download the model, and it has 2 steps in it. In the first step, you have to go to the Hugging Face website, and then you have to go to the settings. So setting, you will find it here. Okay, you will find it here. You have to go to these settings, and now once you are in the settings, then here you can see the access token. Inside the access token, you can create a new token. So you have to click on the create new token, and then you have to fill the details. So in the details, you can give the repository permission which you want. Here I will be requiring the repository permission of the Meta Llama 3.1 8 billion instruct. Okay, so give it, and then you have to create the token, and once you create the token, it will show you that you have created the token, and where you have to give the name of the token, and the value will be automatically populated. And once this is generated, you have to come back again to the Google Colab, and where you have to click on this add new secret. Once you do that, then here you have to type the name of the token. So here, say I have given the name of the token as hf underscore token, then here I have to give the name hf underscore token, and then you have to copy the value which is a secret key, and you have to paste the secret key here. And once you place these 2 things, you have to just enable it. Okay, this is simple. Since I have already done these things, these steps, so I am not showing you, I am just telling you how you can do this. So this is the first step, and in the second step, what will happen, you have to go to this repo. So Meta Llama 3.1 repo, and in this repo you have to ask the repo author to give you permission. So how we will do these things? So here I am showing you. You have to fill in few details, that who are you and for what purpose you are using it, and which organization you belong to. So once you fill this information, then that author will see, that repo author will see that who wants to use it, and then he will grant you access within 1 hour, and you will get the access in your mail. And once you will get that access, then your access token is authorized. Once you have authorized, it means that you can now load the model from the Hugging Face and then you can use it. Now let's come to the last step. Here I will explain you this code. This code will be given to you. You will get a GitHub link from where you can download this code. So I will provide you this code. So don't worry about this code. Just listen to me very carefully to understand these things. Once you understand these things, this will be very much crystal clear to you, and you can always use this idea to get into any kind of model, to download any model from the Hugging Face and then use it for your purpose. So first of all, I have to set the environment variables from the Hugging Face. So whatever value you are getting, you have to place it here. I am just using star here so that like I don't want to show it to you. It is encrypted in that format. Okay, so you have to place this value here and also here. Okay, and then you have to log in using the token. So for that you have to use these things. So you have already imported this login parameter, so you don't have to think of it. So now you have to define the model. So from the Hugging Face, which model you want. So you want to download the Meta Llama 3.1, and specifically you have to mention about which model you want. So 8 billion instruct model you want or some other model you want. So that I have already mentioned here. So this is the model name. Now we have to download a configuration parameter, and then you have to modify this configuration parameter. And why I am using this configuration parameter, so let me tell you. So this process allows you to customize the model configuration before loading it, which can be helpful for you so that you can fine tune or do some adjust some model parameter according to your specific needs. So that's why I am telling you. Otherwise the code will be very simple. The code will be, it's like that. You have to just give the model name, and then you have to use the pipeline where you have to specify for which task you want to use. So right, like I am using it for text generation purpose, and then the model name, and then you have to give these parameters because you want to use it in BA float 16. It means the weight of these models will have a floating point of 16. Okay, and the device, which device you are using GPU. So for that you are using CUDA. Okay, so this code will be very simple if you are using the configuration parameter as it is. But if you want to modify the configuration parameter, then you need to use these things. So I am telling you these things so it will be helpful for you, because if you want to use your own model for a specific requirement, then this is essential for you. Okay, so here what you are doing, first of all you have to download from the HF Hub download, where you have to just specify the repo. So here the repo is with respect to the model name, which is Meta Llama 3.1 8 billion instruct. You are using another parameter, use authorization token, which is true. So this parameter ensures that the download is authenticated, which is necessary for accessing some private models or some sources. Now you have to load and adjust this JSON configuration. So it is a JSON file, you have to just parse it and then you have to modify it. So I will explain this code. So what you are doing, so first of all you are checking with respect to a if loop. What you are checking, that the code checks if rope scaling is a key in config data and if its value is a dictionary or not. So if it is a dictionary, then you have to update the rope scaling, which is updated to ensure that the type is linear or another inappropriate value, and it retains the existing factor, which is by default as 1. Okay, and now you have to save this configuration file. So that is, you have to save this JSON file, so you have to just dump it, and then you have to load this using this llama config, and you have already imported this llama config. Assuming that the llama config is the configuration class for the model, this line loads the configuration from the modified JSON file. And then it comes the final step, where what you will be doing, you have to load the tokenizer and the model with the modified configuration. So here authorization from pre-trained will loads the tokenizer for the model using the pre-trained model name, and then auto model from pre-trained, what it is doing, it is loading the model with the modified configuration. And here also we are using the authorization token parameter as true, which ensures the loading process is authenticated. And once this is done, you can execute it. This execution takes some time. because it is downloading the model from the HuggingFace, and then finally you can use it for your text generation. So I am using this model. So this model I will be using it here, and then I will be give a prompt. So here I am in the prompt I am giving, hey, tell me about Sachin Tendulkar, and then it will generate text for you. This is just a simple process. So you can use Meta Llama 3.1 by these 4 simple steps. And if you want to download this model, then you can use this instruction. I have given it. You can use this command line, and then you can directly download it to your local system, and also you can use it. I hope you like this video. Kindly subscribe to my channel for more videos on Meta Llama 3.1, and also lots of videos I will be uploading with respect to the large language model and generative AI, NLP and different stuffs. Kindly subscribe to my channel and share this video with all of your friends and colleagues who wish to skyrocket their career by switching their job into the field of generative AI. See you soon in my next video.